this is a flat roof, and of course this is all primer. You have to put Torchon primer before you torch, and of course it goes like that, and that's to help the Torchon stick to the slab so it doesn't peel, and it's the right way to do Torchon. I'll show you the next video with when it's been torched. So yeah, it takes if it's sunshine about 30 minutes to dry, and if it's like cloudy or whatever about 2 hours. Thanks guys. Busy doing Torchon, making sure everything's sealed nicely. Nice bit of flame, beautiful day, you know, nice day today. Yeah, sealing nicely by the skylight, and of course slab is primed. Warming up the triple, very important. And as you can see, you can't see the flame while you're busy letting the pressure come out. It's always good to have two people. One helps with holding whatever torch while the other one seals it. And of course, so that you don't burn things, the one is to look out for you, you know, so while you moving the torch away from where your hand is, obviously you don't burn down the house. So yeah, quite important. So this is a flat roof, busy putting on UV silver paint. It's very messy, so you've got to roll it really slowly, preferably do the edges with a brush and not too much on it, so that helps that it doesn't run. And of course you've got to clean it off your hands with turps. But yeah, it's important that you cover the whole area, and yeah, silver, it helps to protect the product, prolongs the product, stops the UV rays from damaging the Torchon, and yeah, do maintenance every 2 years on flat roofs. So yeah, it comes in 20 liters, 25 liters, and 5 liters, and actual 1 liters. The UV silver, its spread rate is pretty good. I work on always 6, but probably 8 to 10 squares. That way you're kind of safe. And yeah, it's unfortunately very messy. So don't roll it quickly, otherwise it's going to splash on walls, and then getting it off and cleaning it's going to be a hell of a problem. So yeah, this is us painting UV silver paint. Thanks for following, guys.